In Allplan Engineering, the axis grid serves as a critical reference framework used primarily in structural engineering and construction design. It helps in organizing and aligning structural elements within the model. Our 2D axis grid Python parts can be used for an axis grid created by line, polyline, or 3D line. With an axis grid created by the allplan function, the Python parts can be used after we explode this axis grid. Control-C to copy. Go to another drawing. Then Control-Alt-V to paste the axis grid at the same position. Explode the axis grid into lines. Double-click to open the interface. Click this button. Here we can define to create the axis grid title the same as the project name, or type a new name for it. Now select all axis grid we want to import to the Python parts, and press ESC button to reopen the interface. Zoom to the ratio that we want. Type the label for X and Y direction. Click to save. The axis grid Python parts now can work for sections created by basic method. And advanced method with input options is normal, and reference mode is observer. To use, open the Python parts interface and select axis grid. Then click this button and click this section to draw, and the Python parts created a baseline coincided with the direction line. And which axis cut the baseline will be drawn in the section. The Python parts will firstly create a preview, and we can define axis, symbol, and label properties here. Left-click to confirm and create, or do the same for other sections. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.